Hello, welcome to Studio 76. I'm Dr. Duncan Bell, and today I'll be describing the construction and use of the artbotmini device. This is a drawing device that has two motors on it. There's a motor here and there's a motor here, and it's used with a pen to draw patterns on a piece of paper. In this overview, I'll talk about simply how it runs, and then something about the templates that are used for the construction. But let's learn some of the terminology first, because the words will be the same in the rest of the lessons here. So this is what we call the table. It goes clockwise and goes counterclockwise. It has a stepper motor underneath it. That's this little thing that's blue, and you can't see it too well in this, but you'll see it better. There's a hub, and the hub connects the motor and it connects the table. Next to it is an arm. There's a base for the arm, and then there's a similar motor here. And there's a base for the motor, and then there's the arm. And the arm has a holder in it for a pen, and this pen will drop down into this holder here. And as this arm goes back and forth, and the table goes around, it draws the patterns. Over here we have a switch. It's called a limit switch or a control switch, and when it first starts up, it's going to come against this switch, and that's a known position to it, and then it's going to back off and go over to the table awaiting for the pen to be put in. So then you'll put the pen in and you'll push this switch again, and that tells it to start, and it will go back and forth until it finishes. And you're going to write a program or use a program at the beginning that will do these patterns. It knows how to control the two motors, and the control is done with an Arduino. This is an Arduino clone board that you'll be programming, and that board reads the sensor, which is the switch here, as an input, and it drives the motors using these two boards here. The Arduino isn't powerful enough, so you need a board for each of the motors. And this is the overview of the ArtBot. And now the construction is done using templates, and I'll just briefly show you the templates. There are 5 of them. This is the first one. This is used to make the baseboard. The second one is the hub. This is B. The first one was A. This is B. That's used to make the hub underneath the table. C is a larger one, which is used to make this stack. This is actually 2 pieces of plastic here. There's a thinner one at the bottom and a thicker one at the top. This template C is used for that. D is used to make this arm that's going to go back and forth. And E is used to make the switch holder over here on the left. All right, so let's go to lesson 2 and get started.